Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me Engr.ashfaq. Today I'm going to start another tutorial of AutoCAD 2D. So this is our figure. First of all, we are going to draw 70 line and vertically we'll go 60 shown in the figure. Now let us draw another axis of those line x and y. So 60 below, and on x-axis we'll draw 70. Now we'll draw these circles at the centers. So we have the radius 16, 32 and 40. And 21. So select center, radius, circle. Draw first circle with 16 radius, the second one with 21. Similarly, the third one is shown in the figure, which is 30, and the last one, which is shown, is 40. So these are the circles which I have drawn at the center of the axis. Now we will draw, first of all I'm going to offset the center line to a distance of 50 on both sides of y-axis. Similarly below, minus y-axis for getting the reference point of the edges on which 4 blue circles have been drawn. Similarly, offset the horizontal axis, x-axis, to a distance of 60 below and above on both sides of y-axis. So from here we have taken 4 reference points. So here are circles of R15 and R21. Go to circle center and first of all draw a circle of 15. Similarly another one with a 20 radius. Now I'm going to mirror those 2 circles at the center on another axis. So I have mirrored these 2 circles whose diameters or radius are 15 and 20. Similarly, I will draw another 4 circles whose radius are 15 and 21. Now I am going to mirror these 2 circles on both sides of x and y axis. So I will select these 2 circles, go to mirror command and mirror it across x-axis and y-axis. So this is the required figure which we have drawn. Now there is a fillet of 20 with a radius 20. First of all, I am going to trim the extra entities from my figure. Simplify. So I have trimmed the extra entities Now go to offset and offset the center line with a distance of 3. As in the figure, we have a gap shown. So for taking that reference figure, first of all I will trim the extently, then we'll go to polar array and will array these two lines in the center of this reference point. Select 6 items across 360 degree. So this is the reference figure. Now trim the extra entities required in figures. I have trimmed. Now go to explode command and explode your array to trim extra entities, as that is one object. So this is the required figure. Just one thing which is remaining. We have a fillet radius of 20 from both sides. First of all, I'm going to select a tangent for getting the lines. So go to tangent command, activate the tangent from the menu option. So now mirror this line across x-axis and y-axis, the center line. Similarly mirror this line across x-axis and so on. Now we have a radius of 20. Go to palette and select a radius of 20. Select the both two circles which you want to fillet. Again press enter and select multiple with a radius of 20. So our figure has been complete at this point. Now cut or trim the extra entities. One thing which is gradient is remaining. Go to gradient, select your required colors. Here we have the brown and a yellow gradient, and another one has the sky blue with a white in the center of the circles. So select gradient sphere, also add the polar array, give that gradient of color and press close hatch creation or press enter. For center of small circle, go to again gradient and select your colors, cyan or sky blue with the white. So our figure has been completed at this point. One thing, the dimensioning has been remained, so give proper dimension from annotation, Similarly, I have given all dimensions to my figure. Moreover, you can also change your dimensioning. Now press Ctrl V, go to select a window across your figure and get the required figure. If you want to like my work, please subscribe the channel for more coming video. Thanks for watching. So this is the required figure which we have taken in PDF with full dimensioning. Thanks for watching.